you're probably looking at plenty of turkey and wondering what to do with it. I hope you enjoyed it on Christmas Day, but I'm going to show you the Ballyknocken Turkey Sambo. Da da da! It's one of my favourites. Okay, so you start with some beautiful fresh bread. And we go with a little bit of mayonnaise or butter, depending on your personal choice. So we're just softening the bread a little bit with the mayo. There we go. Lovely. Happy with that now? Okay, fresh knife. Now we have pesto. Basil pesto. Now, pesto, quite strong in flavour. That's why I didn't go all pesto. I don't want my sandwich only to taste of pesto because it overpowers all the lovely flavours. And I want to get that cranberry sauce in there as well. So, look at that for colour. Already it's looking great. Next, we will put on our rocket. I knew I had it somewhere, right beside me. Got a bit too relaxed at Christmas. Can't remember where I'm keeping everything. Love a bit of greenery. And of course we've loads of salad left as well after Christmas. Great way to use it up. Tomatoes. Some sliced tomatoes. A lot of goodness in the tomatoes. And the next thing we want is a little bit of salt and pepper. There she is. Okay, and a bit of pepper. Tomatoes take flavour really well. Okay, we're on to turkey lucky here. Pop the turkey down. That's it. Loving that. Do you know what? I'm going to go for an extra slice. Okay, another little bit of seasoning on the turkey. A little bit of pepper. And we are not finished there because we have this beautiful cranberry sauce. So we'll go with that next. Get that onto the turkey. See where this is going? Now, if you wanted to, you could have buttered the outside of the bread and you could actually pan fry this in a pan and have a hot turkey sambo, which would be really nice as well. Give options. So with this side, you'd butter, and when you put the lid on, then you just toast it in your pan both sides. Okay, we're not finished yet. We have some mozzarella or whatever cheese you have left from Christmas. Pop that in and then put the lid on. There she is. That, my dear friends, is a sandwich, a proper sandwich. Then we cut it and our turkey sambo. Hope you enjoy it. For lots more hints, tips and recipes from myself and Ballyknocken Cookery School, subscribe now.